Okay, the next one is known as the classification of kingdom Animalia. How they have classified the animal kingdom. Animal kingdom is divided into two subkingdoms. Already I told it is divided into two subkingdoms, Parazoa, Eumetazoa. Okay, Parazoa and Eumetazoa based on their organization. In this lesson fully we are discussing multicellular organism. Okay, so the multicellular organisms, that animal kingdom, it is divided into two subkingdoms, Parazoa and Eumetazoa, based on their organization. Parazoa. These included the multicellular sponges and their cells are loosely aggregated and do not form tissue or organ. Before we have seen an example, cellular level of organization, we have seen the example of sponges. So millions of cells are present, but the cells are not tightly packed together. It is arranged in a loosely. So that loosely are organized the cells, they cannot possible to produce the tissues and organs. So that type of animals are put together in a subkingdom Parazoa. Another one, the subkingdom Eumetazoa. Eumetazoa, these multicellular animals with well-defined tissues. So the cells are tightly packed together. So the cells, they can produce the tissues. Then the tissues, they can produce the organs. Then the different organs, they can produce the organ system. So these included multicellular animals with well-defined tissues which are organized as organ systems. Okay, so again this Eumetazoa included two taxonomic levels called grades. Again, this Eumetazoa, it is divided into the two grades. Okay, grade also one of the taxa. Okay, one of the taxa. So grades, they included Radiata and Bilateria. Okay, Eumetazoa, again it is divided into two, Radiata and Bilateria. Grade Radiata. So among the Eumetazoa, a few animals have an organization of two layers of cells. So in this Radiata, then Eumetazoans, in few of the animals, their organization, it is developed by only two layers of cells. Already we have seen diploplastic. Okay, so the outer ectodome and inner endodome, separated by a jelly-like mesoglia. In between the mesodome, it is not defined. Okay, it is not made up of a mesodermal epithelium, but it is look like a membrane, like jelly-like structure. That is known as a mesoglia. Okay, so that is they are radially symmetrical and are diploplastic. So and that like organisms are known as diploplastic. Okay, so in which animals are diploplastic, it is developed, it is presents only the two germs layers. Their body plan only in a radial symmetrical. Okay, diploplastic nale radial symmetrical. Okay, can you understood? And then example Cnidarians. Cnidarians all the phylum Coelenterata. Okay, before they have given the name Cnidarians. So Cnidarians, sea anemone jellyfish and Stenophora and Stenophores, home jellies. Okay, so these organisms are example of diploplastic, radially symmetrical. Then the grade Bilateria. The Eumetazoans other than the Radiata show organ level of organization and are bilaterally symmetrical and are triploplastic. Okay, so that Bilateria nale triploplastic, development of three germs layers, but on the body plan the bilateral symmetrical. Okay, can you understood? So Eumetazoans, then the Eumetazoans organ level of organization, that organs it is developed by three germs layers, that is known as a triploplastic, but the body plan it is in a bilateral symmetrical. Okay, உனக்கு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்க டிப்ளோ அப்படின்னா ரேடியல் சிமிட்ரி, ட்ரிப்ளோ அப்படின்னா bilateral symmetry. Okay, again this bilateria, it is included in a for what? Two divisions. It is divided into two divisions. Division 1, prostomia. Okay, prostomia. Protona first, stomia mouth. First mouth formed organisms. It is present in the division 1, prostomia. Prostomia includes the Eumetazoans in which the embryonic blastophores develops into the mouth. During the embryonic development, the blastocytes, that blastopore, one of the cell division one of the stage, that time they can develop the mouth. Okay, this division includes three subdivision. Okay, this prostomia, it is present in three subdivision, namely Acoelomata, Pseudocoelomata and schizocoelomata. Already we have studied now acoelomate, pseudocoelomate, eucoelomate. Eucoelomate nudiya one of the type தான் என்னது இந்த schizocoelomate. Okay, so the division prostomia, again it is divided into three subdivision: acoelomate, pseudocoelomate, and then in a schizocoelomate. Then the division 2, deuterostomia, deuteron, secondary, stomia, mouth. Other than mouth, another one secondary openings also is present in this division, that is known as deuterostomia. Okay, eumetozoans in which anus is formed from or near the blastophore and the mouth is formed away the blastophore. In the organism during the embryonic development la anus வந்து blastophore அப்படின்ற அந்த ஓப்பனிங் அந்த பிளாஸ்டுலான்ற ஸ்டேஜில் அந்த பிளாஸ்டோஃபோர் ஒரு ஹோல் இருக்கும், அந்த ஓப்பனிங் பக்கத்தில் ஆனஸ் வந்து டெவலப் ஆகும். அந்த பிளாஸ்டோஃபோர்லேருந்து கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி என்ன ஆகும், அந்த ஆப்போசிட்டில் இந்த மவுத்து வந்து டெவலப் ஆகும். அப்போ என்ன ப்ரெசன்ஸாக இருக்குது, மவுத்தும் இருக்குது, ஆனஸும் இருக்குது. Okay, it includes only one subdivision. Here it is present only one subdivision, enterocoelomate. Before we have seen three subdivision. Here only one subdivision, enterocoelomate. They have a true coelom called enterocele, formed from the organteron. Already we have seen no enterocoelomate, schizocoelomate. Enterocoelomate, it is developed from the mesodermal pouch of organteron. Okay, can you understood the division of animal kingdom? So animal kingdom, it is divided into parazoa, eumetazoa. Then the parazoa only what cellular level, they cannot capable to produce a tissue and organ. Then eumetazoa, then the cells they can produce a tissues, organ and organ system. It is divided into two grades, radiata and bilateria. Then the grade radiata mostly for what diploplastic and radial symmetry animals, only present two germs layers. Then the mesodome, it is look like a jelly like mesoglia is present. Then we have seen what grade bilateria, so triploplastic, three germs layers. That body plan is the bilateral symmetry. Again this bilateral, it is divided into two divisions, prostomia, deuterostomia. Prostomia, mostly this eumetozoans during the embryonic development, blastopores, they can produce the mouth. Okay, again it is divided into three subdivisions, acoelomate, pseudocoelomate, schizocoelomate. Then the division 2, deuterostomia, that they can present both mouth and then in anus. Mouth is present away the blastopore, anus is present near the blastopore. So mouth and anus is present. Here in prostomia only mouth is present. In deuterostomia mouth and anus is present. It is present only one subdivision, enterocoelomates. Okay, the body cavity, it is developed from the mesodermal pouch of organteron. Okay, can you understood all of you chordates? Then see here that common classification of kingdom Animalia based on the common fundamental feature. One of the 5 mark they are asking repeatedly. Common fundamental features of kingdom Animalia. See this table, kingdom Animalia, all the multicellular animals. Level of organization, cellular level, tissue organ system level. Cellular level presents only one phylum porifera. Okay, tissue organ system level, they can presence of the symmetry, radial and bilateral symmetry. Radial symmetry to what? Coelenterata, that is known as the Cnidarian and Stenophora. Then bilateral symmetry, they can have in a body cavity, divisions of the body cavity. Without the body cavity, acoelomates, phylum Platyhelminthes, with the false coelom, pseudocoelomate. Example, that phylum Aschelminthes, then with the true coelom, otherwise known as the coelomates. Then number of phylums. What are the phylum? Phylum Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. This fully it is included in the phylum, that in that coelom, eucoelomates. Can you understood this classification based on the common fundamental features of the kingdom Animalia? Cellular level of organization, symmetry, what? Body cavity, and then what are the phylums? Okay, can you understood? Thank you. We will see the next class.